Secret ways to log into any computer without having a password. That is going to blow your mind. If you forgot the password to your PC, then this video is for you. Step 1. Go to your PC and press the Shift key on the keyboard and restart your PC. Step 2. It's going to take you to recovery mode. Go to Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, System Image Recovery, Cancel, click on Next. Go to Advanced, click on Install a driver. Okay. After that, go to this PC, then go to the local disk where you have installed your operating system. Mine is this one. I'm just gonna click on it. Click on Windows, then look for System32. Then scroll down until you see Utilman. Right click on Utilman and save it at .12 and hit the enter button. Now look for CMD and rename it to Utilman, then hit the enter button. Go to Cancel, Cancel again, Cancel, then continue with Windows 10. Go to the bottom right corner and click this icon. Then type in Control space user password 2 and hit the enter button. Then it's going to take you here. When you get here, go to reset password. After that, click on OK, cancel here. Then log into your Windows. We are in. Now it's done.